So in today's video, we're going to look at some cursor alternatives. So the one that I like the best, that I think is similar, is called Windsurf AI, right? So it's got this cascade feature, which is similar to Cursor Composer, right? So I've used both tools a bit, and I'll be honest, I'm not a developer, so it's quite interesting to see it from this perspective, right? Is like I've actually, if the thing about these tools is like if you get into trouble, you need to know have a specific set of knowledge, and that's why we'll definitely always need developers, and especially the senior developers, right? We need them using these tools, and you can get so much done, right? So for me, using this one is has just been the easiest, right? So it's got like this cascade thing, so you just basically just ask in plain English, do this, and you get your code. So on the free plan, really, you get a free trial, you get to use it, so it's like really good that you can get to just test it out. And I'll leave a link down below where you can download this. So it's similar to Cursor, you download it to your computer, right? And so it'll actually add all the code, and it'll go out and do all the different what are these called, libraries and stuff. It goes out and finds all the different things for you, so you don't have to find all that stuff yourself and try to. With Cursor, it was like quite annoying. I had to keep trying to find, update, different documents and all that stuff. This one, I just got everything done right away, so I was super happy with this one. As a non-developer, this is probably the best alternative to Cursor. I think you can also use GitHub Copilot, I think it's called as well. I think that's what a lot of developers are using. But on the free plan, it doesn't actually add the code into it doesn't create the files. It's kind of like read only, so you have to copy the code in and stuff like that and create all the files. So that's not really that good, to be honest. I think it's worth paying for, and you only have a certain amount. Yeah, you really need to start paying for this one. That's kind of the downside, right? So it's about $15 per month. If you want, you get, I think, 2,000 prompts, so that should be plenty. And yeah, also the model is quite important, right? So it's just a Cascade base, and then if you want to use Claude Sonnet, which is what all of the best ones are using as of the time of recording, then you'll need to pay as well. So that's something to know. Definitely worth trying out, right? So I do think there will be a bit of a revolution now with people, creating products really fast with these AI code editing tools. So you do need to have some SEO as well if you want, to get traffic, right? There's SEO is a really good marketing traffic. So I'll just leave a link down below to this tool. So it's called Journalist AI. I'll leave a discount code down there as well, so you can generate SEO articles. So you can have a look at them. You just want to set this up, a blog automation, right? So we're using AI and automation all the time, right, to do all this stuff. So if you are setting up a website, then check this tool out. I'll leave it down below, and you can see the articles. I'll just show you an example. So yeah, everything is just done for you. You don't have to go back and forth with ChatGPT. All the photos, all the bold text. Like I just added my keyword here. So if you want to find the keywords, then I recommend using Perplexity AI. I have another video about that, how I use Perplexity AI to find the keywords and then the questions that people are asking, right? And then this adds all the videos and does all this, and you can use, you can integrate this into your WordPress website if you have that, or into your code as well. So you can just set up your blog automation, social media syndication, so it sends it out. So this is kind of a way to automate your marketing as well for your products. So if I were you, I would just get out, get stuff out there, and testing, and then, using this SEO tool to help you along. So back to the alternatives, I guess one of the most famous ones is Bolt.new, right? So this, I suppose, is just kind of like, it's kind of more, not a basic version of Cursor, but it's on the cloud, and it's super easy to use. It's like really beginner friendly, so that's what I like about it. And you can deploy stuff with Netlify, and Supabase is coming soon. So we're getting closer to kind of like being able to create full websites now with prompts. So we're really getting there now, I think. So really cool. I definitely think this is worth checking out. If you're a developer or a non-developer, just ask for whatever you think could be cool. Just even ask ChatGPT, what's a cool thing to test out in an AI code editor, just to see. So for example, I just did this one, it's just a quick website, right? And then, when you press deploy there, then you get the website. So this is what it looks like, right? So you can add your blog posts onto it. You can download them from Journalist AI and add them in here, right? And then, I have my homepage here. So very basic, obviously, but I didn't put any time into this. This did this all by itself. I just said, give me a website for a LinkedIn ghostwriter, came up with the logo and all that. So Really, really cool. Another one is Loveable.dev, right? So very similar in the case, and you can add your GitHub, source the code from GitHub as well, and publish your blog, your articles, or sorry, your tools or whatever it is. So really cool way to create SEO tools fast, or whatever it is you're developing. You can just get it fast here. So another one is V0 by Vercel. So that's similar as well, and Replit as well. You can use this one. So there are all the cursor alternatives that you can use, and I'll leave a video up above that might be helpful for you for keyword research. Thanks for watching.